Question tell that suppose we have a circular pipe whose diameter given 40 centimeter. This implies that radius equals to what? 7 centimeter, or radius equals to 0.07 meter. You see that this is the radius of this circular pipe. Question says that from this circular pipe water have come out with the speed of 6 km per hour. If from circular pipe water have to come out, this shape is the cylindrical or not, and height of this cylindrical shape depend this height depend on the speed. You see that h equals to what given? 6 km per hour. Now we want to convert this height in meter per minute. This implies that value of h equals to 6 multiplied by 1000 divided by 60. This implies that value of h is 100 meter per minute. You see that in one, this is the speed. This is the speed of water meter per minute. You see that. Now if we have to calculate the volume of this cylinder, so we have to get how much volume we have to calculate in 1 minute. What have to calculate? How much volume we have to calculate in? If you have to calculate this volume, you see that this volume have to come out in 1 minute. This volume have to come out in 1 minute. Then you have to calculate the volume of cylinder. Then you find that how much volume have to come out in 1 minute. Question have tell that from this volume we want to fill a cylindrical tank, a rectangular tank. From this volume we want to fill the cylindrical tank. How much time we have to require? You see that the cylindrical tank length given 60 meter, breadth given 22 meter, and height given 0.07 centimeter. 7 meter it is. You see that by this tank we want to fill in by this pipe, and the speed of this pipe 100 meter per minute. So suppose this is the volume pi r square h. If you have to use this speed, this is the volume have to come out in 1 minute. So we want to fill this tank. How much time we have to require? So suppose in x time we have to complete this volume, and this is the cuboid. Its volume is L into B into H. It means this volume multiplied by time equals to the volume of rectangular tank, because this pipe we want to fill this tank by this pipe. You see that speed given, radius given. Now this volume have to come out in per minute. If we have to multiply x here, it means this volume we want to fill. It means this volume equals to the multiplied volume into time. We have to calculate the time. Okay, now we start solving the questions. Okay, beta. See that. Write the given 25. Given radius of pipe, radius of cylindrical pipe. A cylindrical water is 100 meter per minute. Therefore, volume have come out in 1 minute. Volume have come out in 1 minute. This shape is a cylindrical or not? Then you have to calculate the volume of cylinder pi r square h. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Value of r is, you have to mention 0.07 r, 7 by 100 meter. You have to use this one. 7 by 100 into 7 by 100 into value of h is 100. Till here anyone have any problem? This volume have to come out in 1 minute. Both are the easy. Okay. Now you see that according to question, what you have to mention? According to question, we want to fill this tank We want to fill this tank by this much water. This water have to come in 1 minute. Then how much time you have to require? It means x into speed of the water equals to the volume of tank. It means x into speed of the water, this volume have to come out in 1 minute. 22 by 7 into 7 by 100 into 7 by 100 into 100 equals to what? LBH equals to what? LBH 60 into 22 into 7 by 100 at 0.07. Till here anyone have any problem? This 7 this 100 cancel out. This implies the remains value is x into 22 into 7 divided by 100 equals to what? 60 into 22 into 7 upon 100. Do the cross multiplication. Or if you want to cancel out this 100 and 100, 22 and 22 cancel out, 7 and 7 cancel out. Remains value of x equals to 60 minutes. How much time you have to require? 60 minutes or 1 hour. Anyone have any problem? Shape of the pipe is circular. Whenever but water have to come out from this pipe, so you see that which water have to come out, this shape is the cylindrical. This depend upon the speed. It means the cylindrical shape depend upon the speed of the water, and which is given 6 km per hour. But we have to some quantity in the centimeter, some quantity in the meter. Then we have to convert all the quantity in meter, and this time we have to convert in the minute. Then 6 km per hour. If we want to convert the kilometer in meter, multiplied by 1000, and this hour we have to convert in the minute, then multiplied by 60. It means 6 into 1000 divided by 60. This speed is 100 meter per minute. So first we have to calculate in 1 minute how much volume have to come out through pipe. If you calculate that in 1 minute how much volume have to come out through pipe, then we want the required time to fill this type of the tank, whose length is 60 meter, breadth is 22 meter, and height is 0.007 meter or 7 by 100 meter. It means this total volume equals to the x into per minute volume of the pipe. It means x into per minute volume of the pipe equals to the volume of tank, and our tank is the cuboidal LB into H. Anyone have any problem in this question? 50 marbles, each of diameter 1.4 cm. You see that marbles only diameter given. It means shape of the marble is spherical or sphere, you have to say that. If only diameter of the marble is given, it means which type of shape we have? Sphere it is. Question says that are dropped in a cylindrical vessel of diameter 7 cm containing some water which are completely immersed in water. Find the rise in the level of water in the vessel. You see that suppose you have a cylindrical vessel given. What is given? Cylindrical vessel given. Whose radius given? 7. Radius given, diameter given 7 cm. Diameter given 7 cm, it means radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Anyone have any doubt? No, sir. Suppose this is the total height. This is the total height. Suppose at some level of this cylinder water will be filled. We start put 150 spherical ball in it. 150 spherical ball in it. So you know that the cylindrical radius is always fixed. If cylinder radius is always fixed, it means either here you have to measure either at the upper end, either lower end, or the middle. Anywhere radius is always fixed. You see that? Then whenever you have to start putting the spheres in it, the level of the water is up. You know the Archimedes principle? Yes, sir. This will happen by Archimedes principle. You see that suppose h will be height increase. H will be height increase. It means the volume of the sphere equals to the volume increase in the water. This is the Archimedes principle, say that whenever we have to, where any body or any particle we have to submerge or we have to put in the water, then this volume or this level of the water will be increased according to the weight of the solids or objects. It means this volume of 150 spherical cell equals to the increased volume of the cylinder. Volume of 150 spherical ball equals to the volume of increased water, and this radius is r always, then pi r square. It means directly you have to solve the question according to question. First you have to mention the given thing, we have to solve here directly according to question. Volume of 150 marbles, volume of 150 marbles equals to the increased volume of water, and water increase in the cylindrical shape whose r is always fixed. We want to calculate the height, how much height it will increase from initial, how much height it will increase, we have to calculate this one. We have no any discussion about the initial height, because only have to discuss about the increased height. What is the idea? You see that this implies that Khushi Pandey, this is 150 marbles, and marbles are the cylindrical because only diameter is given, and diameter given acha spherical, diameter given 1.4 centimeter, diameter given 1.4 centimeter, therefore radius is
1.4 centimeter.
what I have to, if diameter is 1.4 centimeter, then radius is 0.7 centimeter. You see that this radius is also centimeter, this radius is also centimeter, which means we don't convert the quantity. Acha, volume of 150 marbles, Aditi, it means volume of spheres. How you have to calculate? What is the formula for volume of sphere? Volume of sphere formula is, first you have to stand up. Whenever I have to ask the question, first stand up. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Harshita, where r is? Where r is? Radius. Okay, sit down. Increase volume of water, and water is cylindrical, and here you have to multiply 150 into 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to pi r square h. This implies that 150 into 4 by 3 pi and pi cancel out into r cube.
7 by 10, 7 by 10, 7 by 10.
You have to mention 7 by 10, 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 equals to r square. This is also 7 by 20, 7 by 2, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height. This height we want to calculate how much level is increased. Acha, see that 3 5 ja, it means this is 50,
7 cancel.
1 7 1 7 1 7 1 7
2 and 5.
cancel out. 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10, 5 10 ja 5 2 ja
Into 5 ja
10.
2 5.
Where? Tacha, 2 5 ja 10, remains value 4 7 ja 28, 28 upon 5 equals to h. It means value of h is 5.6 watt centimeter, because you see that all quantity given in the centimeter. Anyone have any doubt? This question I had to ask in 2014.
2017.
29. So you see that like same question number 30. You see that marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeter are dropped into cylindrical beaker. Diameter 7 centimeter contains some water. Find the number of marbles should be dropped into the beaker so that the water level reach 5.6. You see that radius of the cylindrical vessel given, height increase given, it means pi r square h equals to, here you have to mention only x into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Only difference in that question and this question, here you have to mention x and value of h given 5.6. Ins concepts are same. Got it the idea or not this question? Question number 31. You see that what question I have tell that? Question tell that suppose we have to dug out. Suppose we have to dug out a well whose diameter given 10. It means its radius is r equals to 5 and height given 14 meter. Height is 14 meter. You see that question tell that we have to dug out a well whose radius is 5 meter and whose height is 14 meter. You see that whenever you have to dug out the well, we have to materials, it means soil we have. By this soil we want to make the embankment. We want to make the embankment. You see that the dugout volume, by this dugout volume you have to make the embankment. You have to mention that given radius of well, radius of well equals to r equals to 5 meter, height of well equals to 14 meter. Till here anyone have any problem? Therefore volume equals to pi r square h. But according to question, you see that according to question, volume of dugout, volume of dugout equals to the volume of embankment, volume of embankment. But whenever you have to make the embankment, you see that internal radius given 5 meter and external given width 5 meter. It means capital R is 10. Whenever you have to make the embankment, there is a hollow cylinder or not, and volume of hollow cylinder pi capital R square minus small r square into h. It means this dugout is pi r square h equals to the volume of embankment. Whenever you have to make the embankment, this is a hollow cylinder and this volume is the pi capital R square minus small r square into h. You see that this h we want to calculate ki at how much level you have to make the embankment. Question have asked about this h, where you have to mention capital R equals to 10 meter. This internal 5 plus width. Till here anyone have any problem? Pi and pi cancel out. This small r given 5 into 5 into 14 equals to capital R square minus small r square. Capital R is 10, 100 minus 25. This will be, see that otherwise mentioned 10 square minus 5 square into h. This h we want to calculate. This implies that 5 5 ja 25 into 14 divided by 10 10 ja 100 minus 5 5 ja 25. This will be 75. We have to divide it. 25 3 ja. This will be equals to. This implies that value of h is 14 by 3 meter. Or value of h is 3 4 ja 12 4.6 something meter. 4.6 meter. You see that once again I have to repeat this question. Question say that suppose we want to dug out a well. By this volume we make an embankment on the well. Question have asked how much, till how much length we have to make the embankment. It means question have asked about the height.
What is the value of the
Wait. We have to calculate height of the embankment. It means according to question volume of dugout equals to the volume of embankment, and we have to calculate this one. Okay, what you have to ask Ayush?
That question, sir, what the value of the
In a corner of rectangular field with dimension 35 meter into 22 meter, a well with 14 meter inside diameter is dug out, 8 meter deep. The earth dug out is spread evenly over the remaining part of the field. Find the rise of the level of the field. You see that, suppose you have a rectangular field given like that. Suppose we have a rectangular field given, whose dimensions given 35 by 22. 35 by 22. We want to dug out a well at any corner. We want to dug out a well at any corner whose radius given and how much deep it is given. Whenever you have to dug out a well at any corner, the soil have to come out or not? Question have to tell that this same soil, this volume of the soil, we have to spread in whole field. We have to spread in whole field. How much height will be increase of this field? How much height will be increase of this field? You see that L given, B given.
Can anyone here? Just do it.
Anyone try to solve this question?
Can anyone do it? At least in the practice copy, you all can do it. You can all try to do it. Okay? Thereafter, you not able to, you fail to do it, then the teacher will tell you. But at least you will try, use your brain sometimes. Take out your practice copy if you have one, and in that you try yourself. Because he is also doing, so there is no wastage of time. And once you fail to do that, then he will be there to help you out.